What is water? The lifeblood of Earth. An indispensable resource for all forms of life. The foundation of all cultures and ecosystems. It shapes. It nurtures. It sustains. It also calls for stewardship and advocates' responsibility. Rotek started in 2000 and has obtained its ISO 9001:2015 QMS certification. We provide custom solutions. From tailoring plans, engineering designs, to constructions and maintenance. Drip by drip, step by step, from sourcing to processes. We always try our best to think ahead and find new ways. What is water? It is our promise to navigate challenges with resilience. It is our dedication unwavering as we strive to elevate your experience. It is our commitment to you. Rotek. Purification for life.